If you're cramming for hours, staring at your notes, or scrolling your phone while studying, you're wasting precious time. In this video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes students make when studying and how to fix them. Don't study like this, study smarter. Welcome back to Learning Smarter, where we share tips to learn faster and smarter. If you're serious about improving your study habits, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Mistake number 1, cramming. Cramming everything the night before. It overwhelms your brain and makes it harder to remember. Mistake number 2, passive reading. Just reading your notes without testing yourself. Active recall is far more effective. Mistake number 3, multitasking. Switching between studying and social media destroys focus. Now let's talk about how to study smarter. Tip number 1, break it into short sessions. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focused study, 5 minutes break. It keeps your mind sharp. Tip number 2, use active recall. Close your notes and try to recall key points. This strengthens memory far better than rereading. Tip number 3, teach what you learn. Explain concepts out loud or teach them to a friend. Teaching forces deep understanding. Mindset and environment. Your study environment matters. A clean desk, minimal distractions, and a clear plan make a huge difference. Don't just watch this video, apply these tips in your next study session. Comment below which mistake you've been making the most. And if this video helped you, tap the like button and subscribe for more study hacks. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't study harder, study smarter.